What does colon equals smiley face in Python mean? What does the column equals operand mean, more specifically for Python? Can someone explain how to read this snippet of code?
Updated answer. In the context of the question, we are dealing with pseudocode, but starting in Python 3.8, column equals is actually a valid operator that allows for assignment of variables within expressions. See PEP 572 for more details. Original answer. What you have found is pseudocode. Pseudocode is an informal high-level description of the operating principle of a computer program or other algorithm. Column equals is actually the assignment operator. In Python, this is simply equals. To translate this pseudocode into Python, you would need to know the data structures being referenced and a bit more of the algorithm implementation. Some notes about pseudocode. Column, smiley face, is the assignment operator or equals in Python. Equals is the equality operator or equals in Python. There are certain styles, and your mileage may vary. Pascal style. C style. Note the differences in brace usage and assignment operator.
PEP 572 proposed support for the column equals operator in Python to allow variable assignments within expressions. This syntax is available in Python 3.8.
The code in the question is pseudocode. There, column equals represents assignment. For future visitors, though, the following might be more relevant. The next version of Python 3.8 will gain a new operator, column equals, allowing assignment expressions, details, motivating examples, and discussion can be found in PEP 572, which was provisionally accepted in late June 2018. With this new operator, you can write things like these. Instead of these.
Happy 3.8 release on 14th of October. There is new syntax equals that assigns values to variables as part of a larger expression. It is affectionately known as the walrus operator due to its resemblance to the eyes and tusks of a walrus. In this example, the assignment expression helps avoid calling len twice. What's new in Python 3.8 assignment expressions?
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.